I'm at the end user computer party and I'm joined by Sanjay Poonen. Sanjay, hi, how are you?
Thanks, Eric. Nice to be here, and thank you for doing this little clip on us.
So this is a great party. We have eaten tapas, we drink some good red wine. All the end users are here, the actual customers of VMware. And Sanjay, this morning we had a big announcement of the acquisition from Dell and EMC. I know that Dell has a lot of products that also are living in the end user computer market. What do you expect of when everything comes together?
Obviously we can't talk in a lot of detail till the deal closes, but Dell's been a great partner to us. The merger of Dell and EMC is going to be good for the market. A couple of key messages. First off, we think a lot of the key partnerships that we have will only get better. But we also want to say it's very important that VMware will continue to remain an independent company that works with all partners. Whether they are friendly to Dell or competitive to Dell, it's very important that we have our independence, and that's going to be reinforced not just by Pat Gelsinger, our CEO, but also Michael Dell. And I think it's going to be really good at the end of the day for customers so that we can further our vision of end user computing to a much broader market.
Right. Okay, that sounds great, Sanjay. I think a lot of people have questions, but they will be answered in the next day. Tomorrow there will be a special broadcast from Pat Gelsinger announcing the official takeover. What do you expect from this announcement?
I think it's actually going to be a joint video from Pat and Michael, hopefully, during Carl's session. But I think it's going to be awesome to hear the joint vision of where these are going, reinforce some of the messages I talked about, how this is good for joint customers and partners. That's really what it's always about. And then how VMware continues to be an independent company to extend now our reach, but continue to stay independent.
Okay, that's great. So let's switch to some other news. VMware ended higher in the Gartner quadrant than Citrix. What's the reason? Citrix is an end user computer company and VMware suddenly is in a higher rank. What's causing it?
Well, we're not really into a lot of the locker room talk, as they say, but I will tell you that part of what we have been focused on the last 2.5 years since I got here was really ensuring with our customers that we built a less costly and less complex solution. Part of the reason VDI and app remoting has been unsuccessful is cost and complexity. With Horizon 6 and a lot of what we've done, we're innovating like never before. Gartner ranks us strong, positive. In many of the rankings, we have leapfrogged the competition. The second reason is we really leapfrogged also in the vision of where this notion of the digital workspace is going, driven by mobility. So we acquired the leader in that area about 18 months ago, AirWatch, and that business has been absolutely on fire. They're ranked by IDC as #1, growing some of the fastest, lots and lots of customers. We have now 100,000 customers of end user computing, increasingly now as you look at Horizon for VDI and app remoting and app volumes and user environment management and AirWatch and identity and social. We have a portfolio that's about 10 times the size it was 2 years ago, and customers and partners, and now the analysts also recognize that.
Right. So you mentioned AirWatch. It's on VMware for more than a year, for 18 months. What I see happening is that AirWatch is also combined with the existing techniques like NSX, like vSAN. Do you think that VMware can bring an added value if you look at it that way, that everything becomes integrated?
Yeah, I'll talk about this more at my keynote on Wednesday, so make sure you come to my keynote on Wednesday at 9 o'clock. But one of the things that's a very key important aspect of what we're doing is integrating end user computing, this digital workspace, with the core software-defined data center, so that you have the software-defined data center and the software-defined workspace. One area, as you pointed out, was Horizon 6 with vSAN. Another area is Horizon and AirWatch integrated to NSX. And the NSX intersection is beautiful, because NSX and AirWatch have been two of the fastest growing parts of VMware's portfolio, and you can connect now mobile security and network security and get that sort of dark tunnel, so to speak, that connects the mobile endpoint with the network endpoint, and you really get this micro-segmentation use case now applied to any application, any database, and now connected to per app VPN to AirWatch. So on my keynote on Wednesday, you'll see a demo of this. You won't want to miss it. And we'll show the magic of AirWatch and NSX coming together in integration that we've already started to deliver on, the next phase of which will be delivered also in this next quarter.
Okay, great. Many thanks, Sanjay. Definitely watch the keynote next Wednesday when we get some more news.
Coming up
this
week.
Wednesday.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.